I want to share something really cool with you. We have this mountain ash tree. You can see these red berries on it just outside on our porch here. And once in a while, it's kind of a really rare but really cool phenomenon. This flock of birds called Bohemian Waxwings fly down from the Arctic and they migrate here to Alberta. This is considered them flying south, so they're used to much, much colder temperatures than here. And they feast on these red berries until they get drunk and they fly around crazy, and it's kind of funny. And if you look down here on the ground here, I'm filming through the door, but you can see a lot of the berries that have dropped off the trees. So I'm just going to share with you just a small flock of maybe 100 of them that just came by a few minutes ago. I couldn't talk while they were here or I would have scared them away. So enjoy.